Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen 2022 release in the stunning deep sea blue color. If you're interested in purchasing this device, be sure to check out the link pinned in the first comment below. The Echo Dot has always been a popular choice for smart home enthusiasts, and the 5th generation takes everything we loved about its predecessors and enhances it. One of the standout features of this model is its bigger, more vibrant sound. The audio quality has significantly improved, making it perfect for music lovers who want to fill their space with rich, clear sound. Whether you're playing your favorite playlist or catching up on podcasts, the Echo Dot delivers an impressive listening experience. Beyond just sound quality, the Echo Dot is equipped with helpful routines that can simplify your daily tasks. Imagine waking up in the morning and having your coffee brewing, the news briefing ready, and your favorite music playing, all with a simple voice command. The routines feature is intuitive and customizable, allowing you to create a seamless start to your day. The deep sea blue color adds a touch of elegance to any room, blending well with various home decors. It's not just a functional device, it's also a stylish addition to your living space. Of course, we can't forget about Alexa, the heart of the Echo Dot experience. With her ability to control smart home devices, answer questions, and provide updates, she truly makes your life easier. The responsiveness and accuracy of Alexa have improved, making interactions smoother than ever. In conclusion, the Amazon Echo Dot 5th Gen 2022 is a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their smart home experience. With its vibrant sound, helpful routines, and stylish design, it's a device that I highly recommend. Don't forget to check out the link pinned in the first comment if you're interested in getting one for yourself.